You want my full name? Or yeah. My name is Michalis Mihalitsis, or just Mike. I am the assistant professor here at the UOG, working on vertebrate morphology, but also just basically a glorified fish nerd. So I was originally born and raised in Greece. When I graduated high school, I left Greece and moved to Denmark to do my undergrad at the University of Copenhagen. I moved to Australia at the doorsteps of the Great Barrier Reef to do my master's and Ph.D. in marine biology at James Cook University. After that, I did a postdoc in California at the University of California, Davis. Then now I'm here for the last couple of months, yeah. Yeah, I'm an ichthyologist. I think that's a good description. It started since I was a little kid. My dad would always take me fishing. We would snorkel and see the underwater world. Because of that, I got more interested in fish through fish keeping, in aquariums and things like that. So yeah, I decided that very early on, I think when I was 12 or 13, that I was going to be a marine biologist, specifically working on fish. Ecology and evolution, how different fish feed, how that impacts the overall environment, how fish have evolved different morphological features that allows them to outcompete other fish or feed on specific resources, and then also what the broader ecosystem implications of that are. We know that reefs are changing, the benthic composition is changing, and the parameters are changing. We need to know how different fish species are gonna react to these changes, because that's how we can make estimates and predictions about how coral reefs are gonna look tomorrow. There's other elements and components in terms of the importance, like economic growth and development of these areas is very reliant on the ocean and fisheries. It's a big component of our daily food intake and protein intake, right? There's a lot of sustainability potential here with regards to fisheries. We just need to know how to manage it properly. I was telling myself that wherever I end up next, I want to be close to the ocean. I want to be on a tropical coral reef. When the opportunity came, I found out that the university was looking for a professor in fish morphology, literally what my research is about. I knew that I was going to apply to this job. I didn't know if I was going to get it or not, but I was definitely willing to, explore the potential of coming out here. And then I got the job, and I said, wow, it looks like I'm going to Guam, Academically speaking, I'm still working on some projects from my postdoc. With regards to EPSCoR, what my role there is going to be is contributing to some extent to the biorepository with fish species. The other big part of it is that I plan on using the CT scanner that is available there. It allows you to look at things that you wouldn't be able to see by just looking at the fish specimen, because sometimes fish can be very small. I haven't worked with anyone closely yet, but so far everyone seems really nice, very friendly, and very helpful as well. A big part of what I would like to learn here is how to develop myself as a professor, as an educator, and how I can basically be a really good version of what I had as role models when I was doing my undergraduate degree and master's degree and PhD. So basically the knowledge and experience that I got from those amazing mentors, I would like to develop the best way possible to pass that on to younger people. And then, learn more about the ocean and fish and how coral reefs work, and have the curiosity, to ask questions. Hopefully inspire other people to also have questions and critical thinking. Yeah.